Hello diecast lovers and welcome back to the Growing Cars show. Today we are unboxing a real jewel from the Centauria Ferrari GT collection in 1/64 scale, the Ferrari 458 Speciale 2013, number 67 in the series. Let's take a closer look at this limited edition miniature that captures all the essence of Maranello's racing DNA. This 1/64 diecast is part of Centauria's Ferrari GT collection, a line entirely dedicated to Ferrari icons. The 458 Speciale comes in the legendary Rosso Corsa livery, with a bold blue and white racing stripe running along the body. Every detail, from the front fascia to the rear diffuser, has been faithfully reproduced, making it a must-have for collectors. Now let's talk about the real car. The Ferrari 458 Speciale was unveiled in 2013 as the ultimate evolution of the 458 Italia. It features a 4.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering 605 horsepower, 445 kilowatts, at a screaming 9,000 RPM. This engine remains one of Ferrari's masterpieces. Pure emotion, pure sound, pure adrenaline. In terms of performance, the 458 Speciale accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.0 seconds and reaches a top speed of 325 km/h. The car is 4,571 mm long, lightweight thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber, and equipped with advanced aerodynamics, making it sharper and more precise on track than any other 458. This was also the first Ferrari to introduce the side slip angle control system, improving handling and stability at the limit. Combined with an aggressive design, the triple rear exhaust, and a sound that can only be described as a symphony, the 458 Speciale became an instant icon of modern Ferrari engineering. So in your hands today, you don't just have a 1/64 scale diecast, you have a piece of Ferrari history that captures the essence of one of the greatest V8s ever built. Stay tuned for more unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week here on the Growing Cars show.